All right, so number 9, it says to find the length of the sides of each of the kites. So this is a very tedious process because it's asking us to find the sides. But notice that these are all right triangles. So technically, all you have to do is use Pythagorean theorem here. So you can do 3 squared plus 4 squared is equal to c squared, right? You can do that. You can get that c. So this is 9 plus 16 equals c squared. 9 plus 16, which is 25. So c equals to 5 here. So this is 5. This is 5. 2 and 3. So 2 squared plus 3 squared equals to c squared. 4 plus 9. So 9 plus 4, 13. So this is radical 13, and this is radical 13 as well. All right. Okay, same thing here. These are all right triangles. So let's see. 4, 5. So 4 squared plus 5 squared equals c squared. 16 plus 25 equals c squared. 16 plus 25, that is square root 41 equals to c. So this is square root 41. This is also square root 41. 5 squared plus 7 squared is equal to c squared. 25 plus 49 is equal to c squared. 25 plus 49, 74. So c equals to square root of 74. Square root 74, square root 74. And c, we have, let's see, 12 squared plus 8 squared equals c squared. 12 squared plus 8 squared, that gets you 208. So this is square root 208. I think I should simplify it, but I can leave it like that. Square root 208. I have 8 squared plus 5 squared. That's going to get you c squared. This is 8 squared plus 5 squared. That is 89. So this is square root of 89. Square root 89. Okay. Again, just finish the Pythagorean theorem. You all know how to do that. So that's why I didn't show the work. So there you go. That is how you find the missing sides of the kite.